Brookdale Senior Living has approximately 660 facilities across the country. We take care of roughly 50,000 residents. We're a national company. We do assisted living, memory care, skilled nursing, and independent living. When we started our search for wireless, we were looking for a vendor that could grow and scale with the growth of our company. Somebody who was going to be dynamic to our needs, provide a very good product, and something that was controllerless to save on costs and to add resiliency and redundancy to our network. With some of the solutions that we looked at when we were rolling out wireless, there was a lot of controller-based solutions, and one of our concerns, especially with electronic medical records and the applications that we're deploying currently to our field, the need for 24/7 uptime has increased, and this is much different for our industry, based on just 2 years ago. We currently have applications that are used on handhelds, tablets, medical carts. The main driver behind that was accuracy and efficiency. Charting with a patient, real time, not having to worry about handwriting, and making that information available to physicians or other nurses or family members at any point in time or in real time was very important to this company. One of the things we really liked about AeroHive was that it was controllerless. All the other solutions at the time were based on controllers, adding single points of failure, adding a number of costs that we would have to incur to deploy those solutions. AeroHive came in as kind of the best of breed. We did some Forrester calls, we did Gartner calls, and we came away that AeroHive was the leader in the market. Currently, Brookdale is rolling out close to 50 communities a month on AeroHive Wireless. One of the big benefits that we've seen with AeroHive is the ease of deployment. Using the heat mapping tool inside a Hive Manager and being able to just plug in a wireless access point, having it get its configuration from Hive Manager, and it's up and running with no configuration. In fact, we don't even have to touch the devices. They're just shipped directly to the site, and once they plug in, they're ready to go. The AeroHive team has been a great partner with Brookdale. From our sales team to our vendor in which we procure the wireless access points, they've worked hand in hand to make sure that Brookdale is satisfied with the products we're getting. If you were considering wireless, I would definitely recommend AeroHive. And there's a number of reasons for that. Obviously, the controllerless solution has worked out very well for our company. There's cost benefits to that, and the team has been great. It's a company that's focused on wireless, and you can be assured that as things mature in this environment and with wireless, AeroHive is going to be a front runner.